Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be taking a deep dive into the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, one of the most anticipated smartphones of the year. Samsung has a reputation for making some of the best Android phones on the market, and the S23 Ultra is no exception. The first thing you'll notice about the S23 Ultra is its sleek and sophisticated design. It's made from durable Gorilla Glass Victus Plus and has a polished aluminum frame that gives it a premium feel. The phone is also water-resistant and dust-proof, so you don't have to worry about it getting damaged if you drop it in the water or take it with you on a hike. The display on the S23 Ultra is absolutely gorgeous. It's a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 120Hz refresh rate. This means that the screen is incredibly smooth and responsive, and it's perfect for gaming, watching videos, and browsing the web. The S23 Ultra is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, which is one of the fastest mobile processors on the market. This means that the phone can handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. The S23 Ultra also has a large 5000 mAh battery that can last all day long on a single charge. And if you do happen to run out of juice, the phone supports fast charging so you can quickly get it back up and running. The camera system on the S23 Ultra is one of the best I've ever used. It has a 108MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide sensor, and two 10MP telephoto sensors. The camera system can take incredible photos and videos in all lighting conditions, and it has some of the best computational photography features of any phone on the market. The S23 Ultra runs on Android 14, which is the latest version of Android. Android 14 is a major update that brings a number of new features and improvements to the platform. Some of the most notable features of Android 14 include a new privacy dashboard, a revamped settings app, and a new notification center. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is an incredible phone that ticks all the boxes. It has a gorgeous design, a powerful processor, a long-lasting battery, and an amazing camera system. It's also water-resistant and dust-proof, and it runs on the latest version of Android. If you're looking for the best Android phone on the market, the S23 Ultra is the one to get. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video about the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.